Away they go. Sugar Glaze from the outside. Arvin Dugo. Rushing up is Mr. Eagle Nash. Chekung's best on the farther outside. Crystal Sprite down on the inside. It's now Arvin Dugo by half a length, followed by Mr. Eagle. Rushing up from the outside. Gandang Pinay down on the inside. Nash. In between runners, Chekung's best. Crystal Sprite. Then comes Sugar Glaze. And on the farther outside, Bo Erin, Kitty West. And rounding the far turn, Arvin Dugo by half a length. And being hounded by Mr. Eagle from the outside. Getting closer into the Nash as they race the last 500. Arvin Dugo by Anek. Mr. Eagle is racing on the outside, and Nash as they race the final corner. Arvin Dugo, this time by about 4 lengths, followed by Mr. Eagle. Nash is running in third by Darrell. And nearing the finish line, Arvin Dugo, followed now by Nash in second. And finally, the outstanding favorite, number 4, Arvin Dugo. Nash, Mr. Eagle, Crystal Sprite, and for your Pentafecta, number 5,